This is M News with Marley Ning. Good morning. Severe weather battered the East Coast yesterday. Let's go live now to Harper Scott on the East Coast. Good morning, Harper. What can you tell us?
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
So, Harper, what do we know live?
It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me,
Harper
get yourself a
Scott. Thank you. More ticket prices on the Auckland. Prices will fare from next month up to 40% more expensive. Let's go live now to Harper Scott in our newsroom. Hi Harper, what can you tell us?
Cause only those I really love will never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning sun.
Okay, Harper Scott. Thank you. Another shoplifting accusation of another Green MP in Wellington on last year on October 26th. Let's go live now to political reporter Julie Jacades in Wellington for us this morning. Good morning. Good morning, Juliet. What can you tell us and what's going on here? Juliet, what's going on here and what can you tell us now live?
Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old.
Julie, what can you tell us?
I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me.
What do we know live, Juliet? And is there any more other new details this morning?
Some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still happy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a
Juliet, when would it get to nice weather?
I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old.
Okay, Juliet, what do we know live? We've got about 10 seconds. Okay, Juliet Jacades. Thank you very much. That's Juliet Jacades live for us this morning. A severe thunderstorm watch was issued for Auckland yesterday and the Coromandel, Waikato, Rotorua, including. Let's go live now to Harper Scott. Hi Harper, what can you tell us? A severe thunderstorm watch, so what do we know, Harper? This was yesterday. Okay, Harper Scott. Thank you very much. That's Harper Scott live for us in Auckland this morning. A motor rider Falcon dies following Dakar rally crash in Saudi Arabia on Tuesday. Let's go live now to Harper Scott. Hi Harper, what do we know here? On January 7, which was Sunday, not this last week's Sunday. Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Auckland Zoo is celebrating another milestone. Another baby giraffe has been born on Saturday at 9:30 p.m. Let's go live now to Harper Scott. Hi Harper, what do we know? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Today, today marks maybe 2 years since the Tongan eruption, which happened on the 15th of January 2022, but this time in 2022. It started on the 20th of December 2021, and on the 15th of January, end date 15th of January, it left 6 dead, 19 injured. Yeah, so this time last year, so in 2021, sorry. Now, let's go to breaking news. Buses still replace trains on the Kapi line. Some evening services between Wellington and Porirua. Live now to Julie, Sammy Ellington at Porirua. Hi, Sammy, what can you tell us? So, what can you tell us, Sammy Ellington? Okay, Sammy Ellington, thank you. We're following. Let's go live now to Donald Trump will face court on March 4, 2024, with new charges against him this morning. Let's go live now to US correspondent Min Burden and Charlotte King in Tampa Bay, Florida for us this morning. Good morning, Charlotte and Min. What do we know now live? Why will Donald Trump be facing court this year?
Hello, new world.
So, what do we know, Min Burden and Charlotte King?
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want.
Okay, thank you very much, Min Burden and Charlotte.
In this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop, I know I can treat you.
Okay, Min Burden and Charlotte King, thank you. It's expected to be a nice sunny day here in Wellington today at a top of 23 degrees. Live now to Harper Scott at Met Service with Met Service meteorologist John Law. Hi Harper, what do we know?
I'll stop time for you.
Okay, Harper Scott, thank you very much. That's Harper Scott live for us this morning on this Tuesday, the 16th of January 2024. Let's go live now to Jeremy Sutton, who's live this time next week. No update, no podcast Monday, and news update Monday because I'll be on my tram, but we'll be recording Tuesday this time next week. So, Jeremy Sutton, are you ready to be live this time next week? So, Jeremy Sutton, what do we know live?
And which leader of the
Okay, Jeremy Sutton.
Promise I won't let you down.
Okay, Jeremy Sutton, thank you very much. Jeremy Sutton now live. Let's go live now to Sarah Watkins and Jeremy Sutton and my best teacher aides and Jamie and Julie and Lena and Juliet and Imogen and Niall and everyone else and Michael. Let's bring them all on the show now. Hi all you guys, what can you tell us? So So, okay, Jeremy Sutton, Sarah Watkins, thank you very much. That is Sarah Watkins live and Jeremy Sutton live for us on this Tuesday, the 16th of January 2023. School starts from the 1st of February. Live now to Sammy Ellington in our newsroom. Hi Sammy, what can you tell us?
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby.
So, okay, thank you very much, Sammy Ellington. A person has been killed in a workplace incident by the Abbey Caves in northern Whangārei. Let's go live now to Harper Scott. Hi Harper, what can you tell us? What's going on here? Harper, what's going on here?
No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of patrol. And it's on, girl. Don't say no, no. Just say yeah. And we'll go. If you're ready.
So what do we know? Okay, Sammy Ellington, thank you.
Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Okay, Sammy Ellington, thank you. Let's go live now to US correspondent Lyndon and Charlotte King in Tampa Bay, Florida for us this morning. It is 2:27 in the afternoon. Good afternoon, Min and Charlotte. Why will Donald Trump face court on March 4, 2024?
So what you wanna do? Let's just run, girl.
Village leader.
If we wake up and you wanna break up, that's cool. No, I won't blame you.
So what do we know, Min Burton and Charlotte King? Okay, Min Burton and Charlotte King, thank you. There are major delays this morning for commuters on the Kapi line after buses will replace trains from Monday yesterday until Wednesday, the 17th of January 2024. Some evening services on the Kapiti between Wellington and Porirua. Some evening service between Wellington and Porirua, just to make myself clear. Some evening service between Wellington and Porirua. And that is your Donald Trump will face court on March 4, 2024. Let's go live now to US correspondent Min Vernon and Charlotte in Tampa Bay, Florida for us this morning. Good morning, Charlotte King. What do we know live? Why will Donald Trump face court? Okay, Min Vernon and Charlotte King, thank you. And that is your news update for today, January the 16th. I'll let the music take it away now. So see you tomorrow for 40 minutes and 59 seconds. So see you tomorrow.
Tell me right now, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you.
So see you tomorrow.
Is it the look in your eyes?